8:34 in the morning. Let's go see what it looks like outside. So I came out here about 15 minutes ago to bring in the umbrellas and the towels off the chairs. Look at those mean clouds. I haven't even been inside for like 4 minutes. I told you it was going to be here like any minute. So yeah, here is the rain. If I would have stayed out here just a couple extra minutes. Wow.
We've got storms moving through the Denton County area right now. A lot of people are in that target zone. We're going to check in with Evan shortly. You can see there's lightning with these storms. And yeah, it looks like it's going to take about 30 minutes or so to pass through at the very least.
Harvey, come on, let's go outside. Come on, Harvey. Come on. Come on. Let's check and see what the temp is outside. So, it looks like it's about 78. Not bad. It's very humid out here. What you guys doing? You guys gonna go potty? Because I'm gonna be gone a while. I got lots of errands to do. What you flickering for? Harvey, what you doing under the table? You guys are funny. Harvey, right, go in? You didn't even go potty. You guys will just have to wait till I get home. Alright, so if I haven't already told you, it's Friday. And I'm just super excited. So I have a lot of errands to do today. Hopefully I can get a grocery haul in for y'all. And I am heading out to meet Steve for lunch. Probably IHOP. I think that's where we're gonna meet. And yeah, so I think I'm gonna get some breakfast. I don't think I'm gonna get lunch. Even though it's lunchtime, I'm in the mood for the 2-egg breakfast, so I'm probably gonna get that. To share with you guys, we've got blue skies, and then over here to the right, we've got clouds. So basically, it's starting to die off. Those storms are going to be gone soon. So yeah, it's all dark over there, but pretty soon that'll all be gone. By the time we come out to lunch, I bet it'll be all blue sky. Alright, I'm back home. We had a great lunch together at IHOP. Steve had a chicken sandwich and I had the quick 2-egg breakfast. As we were eating breakfast, I realized, oh my gosh, I need to get back home and get the roast in the crock pot because it has to cook for 4 or 5 hours. So I'm back home. I'm going to get the roast in the crock pot. Bella's outside going potty. I need to get Harvey to go outside and go potty before I leave to go do all my errands. right, I'm home now. I went to Walgreens, I went to the dollar store, Kroger, Walmart, and a few other places. It was a big shopping day. I'm just snacking on some Texas Rangers peanuts. I'm a little hungry. The craziest thing happened to me on the road today. Just the craziest thing. All right, I'm on a 2-lane road, and there's cars in front of me stopped, and there's cars coming the other direction. There's nowhere to pull over onto the side of the road. And for some reason, I think the brake on my car got stuck, the pedal. And I'm trying to press the gas, and the car wants to slow down. And I'm like, oh no, you know. I haven't been one of those people that have broke down on the road yet. I've been pretty lucky. I've gotten a flat tire and been able to pull over somewhere and, you know, eventually take care of it. But I've never had to stop on the road and block cars and be in the way. And I'm like, oh no, it's happening. So I tapped on the brake a few times, you know, and it seemed to get a little bit better. And I'm like, well, you know, I shouldn't drive home. I need to find somewhere like a parking lot or somewhere like that and kind of drive around and see what's going on. So there was a church up on the left, so I made it a little ways. I pulled in there, and I kind of stopped and, you know, grabbed my composure. And I was like, all right, well, should I call Steve? I'm like, no, I'm not going to bother him at work. I think I'm going to be okay. So I drove a couple of times around the parking lot there and, you know, used the brake, used the gas. I'm like, maybe the pedal was just stuck like I was thinking, you know. So yeah, I've been driving around all day ever since then, and it's been just fine. So hopefully that doesn't happen again. I'm gonna tell Steve what happened when he gets home and have him look at the car and see if he can see anything. Check out the pedal, make sure it's all good. But I have not had any more problems today except for that one incident. So, whew. All right, it is 6:30. We're gonna have a late dinner. Bright, really bright. So I'm gonna get the potatoes peeled and boil some water so I can make mashed potatoes. And I will show you what the roast looks like. Look at that roast. Oh my gosh, just fogged up the camera. All right, let's try this again. Look at the roast. Yummy. Don't fog up the camera. Does it seem like I eat a lot in my vlogs? Because really, I like to eat every 2 hours. Something. I gotta get something in my tummy. I think I have a fast metabolism, which is good, but Steve is opening up a bottle of wine. It's Friday night. Fun night, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fun night. Short night.
Yeah. Poor Steve has to work in the morning. Let's get some Texas style wine glasses. A little bit of ice. Doggies are eating in the background. Aren't these glasses cute?
Yeah. They are very cute.